Over time, we release updates to BigCommerce for WordPress. When this occurs, you'll need to update the plugin on your site. Thankfully, WordPress makes this process clear, easy, and even provides a notice when updates are available. To get started, use the Plugins menu to view your installed plugins. When a new version is available, you'll see a notice appear beneath the plugin. This notice includes links to the version details and to perform the update. We strongly recommend you test all updates in a staging environment, whether you're updating BigCommerce, WordPress, your theme, or your other plugins. While we do thoroughly test every release we publish, it's impossible to know in advance if some other factor on your unique site might create an issue. Once you've confirmed that your store looks and works as expected after updating on staging, you can confidently update it in your public production environment. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully updated BigCommerce for WordPress. Check out our other videos and learn how you can make the most of BigCommerce for WordPress to sell products and grow your business.